This is Tom Bizant's Mr. Numbers on YouTube, showing you a really fun way to square numbers that end in 5, 2-digit or even 3-digit numbers that end in 5. And this is not a unique thing for me, but it leads to some unique things for me. It's really cool in itself, and it's the key to squaring any number in your head from 1 to 100 or higher, 1 to 50, 1 to 100 or higher. So here are some numbers. Let's start with 15. Numbers ending in 5 and squaring them. So the key is that I'm going to use this pen here. We separate the ones and tens digits. The tensies, the ones digits are always 5, and the tensies are the number in front. So the 1 and the formula is t the tensie times tensie plus 1 equals, and here 1 times 2, tensie plus 1, 1 times 2 equals 2. And then add 25 after it. That's all there is to it for each of these. So 15 squared is 225. Now I'm going to go down to 25, and the tensie is 2, so it's 2 times tensie plus 1 is 3 equals 6. And write 25 after that, and 625 is 25 squared. Some of you know that. 35 squared. You can check these with the calculator if you want. 35 squared, the tensie is 3, so 3 times tensie plus 1, 4 equals 12. And then write 25 after it. 1225 is 35 squared. Check it on a calculator. 45 squared. Tensie is 4 times 5 equals 20. Write 25 after it. Cool. 55 is 5 times 6 equals 30. And write 25 after it. 65. The tensie is 6. So 6 times 7 equals 42. And write 25 after it. 65 squared is 4225. Check it out. 75 squared. The tensie is 7 times 7 plus 1 is 8 equals 56. And write 25 after it. 85 is 8 times 9 equals 72. And write 25 after it. 95 squared is 9 times 10 equals 90. And write 25 squared after it. We can go past 100. 105 squared is 10 times 11 equals 110, and write 25 after it. There it is. Now this is really cool, but if you check that out, here is at least a start of a piece with numbers squared, and you know that you can easily square the numbers ending in 0. 10 squared is 100, 20 squared is 400, 30 squared is 900. So because you know the 5s, you are always every number is just 2 away from either the 5 or the 0 squared. That's really cool because we're going to use that. So watch for my next video showing you how to square any number to 50 or 100.